Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing 4 different sizes of Van Cleef and Arpels Alhambra earrings. I thought I would record a review of every single size. Actually, when I was considering purchasing different sizes, I couldn't really find any information and comparison, so I thought it would be useful to record this vlog for you guys. If you like my content, please give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef and Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I will start with the vintage size, and it is actually the latest addition to my collection. I have recently posted the unboxing video, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. I only wore this particular pair a couple of times. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, I haven't been going out that much. But I know once the situation will get a bit better, I will be wearing them non-stop. I have to say this size is so light, it's so comfortable to wear, it feels so perfect. I can literally wear them the whole day. And the first time when I was wearing them, I actually forgot to take them off. And this doesn't usually happen. I tend to take off my jewelry the moment I step in home. And I really like the way they are positioned on the earlobe. They are just so flattering. Also, the clasps of the earrings are pretty comfortable. They are not causing any discomfort. I also have another pair in the vintage size, and I have been wearing that pair so often. I wore them in a few of my vlogs, and I also posted quite a few pictures on my Instagram account. And by the way guys, if you are not subscribed to my Instagram account, please consider to do so. I really love the way these earrings look with the 10 motif necklace, and even onyx matches them perfectly. Although I feel like guilloche matches the earrings the best, now it looks like a complete set and I'm going to wear it more often. And now moving to the magic size. And magic size was actually my first pair of Van Cleef and Arpels earrings. Initially, I was going to get mother of pearl in the vintage size, but I feel like the stone looks so much better in the magic. Mother of pearl in the magic size has a lot more colors. When you look at it, you can see pink, green, and orange. For some reason, my camera doesn't really translate all the shades, but you can see a little bit here. While the vintage size is usually white, it hardly ever has any other colors, and I checked out quite a few of them. I'm not sure why it's the case because I can see more colors on my bracelet. Every single motif still has different shades. But that said, I still have the vintage size on my wish list. I don't know if I will end up buying it, but I still think that it's quite nice. However, magic in white mother of pearl is my choice number 1. And especially if your hair is blonde, I feel like the magic would look so much better. You don't even have to have a matching necklace or a pendant. They look so great on its own. But of course, they look really nice with the 10 motif necklace. And I have been wearing them like that non-stop. But technically, you don't really have to have anything else. Just a pair of earrings and you're good to go. When it comes to the weight, I would say that the vintage size is definitely a bit lighter, but it's not that much lighter. But the magic size is not that bad. Just as long as the clasps feel comfortable, sometimes they can be too tight and you may want to adjust them. You can always bring them to Van Cleef and Arpels and ask your sales associate to adjust them for you. I would say that both sizes are great, but a lot depends on the stone. I would always recommend to go to the store and try them on in person to make sure that the size is perfect for you. Next up are the two Motif earrings, and I absolutely love this pair. I purchased it back in 2020, and initially I was a bit worried that the size is a bit too heavy. I thought I would not be able to wear it for many hours, but I changed my mind. They are so beautiful, they don't sag my earlobes, they look very flattering, and I don't just wear them for special occasions. I can wear them at the daytime when running my errands. I can even wear them to work with certain outfits. They can still look smart, and I love them because of that. I was even considering adding other colors, but I feel like white mother of pearl is just so flattering and perfect and goes with pretty much everything. And I even wear it with my necklace as well. They don't look too much, but of course a lot depends on my outfit. This pair is definitely a must-have in my collection. I'm so happy that I have them. And the last but not the least is my three Motif pair. And I absolutely love this combination with the white mother of pearl, onyx, and the gray mother of pearl. It's just so gorgeous, and it's so easy to style it with pretty much any color, with any outfit, and that's what I love about it. I have to say I took a really long time to consider to add this pair to my collection because I thought the weight is going to be very heavy and they will end up sagging my earlobes, but that's not the case. They are very flattering, they are not falling forwards, and that's what I love about them. Actually, when I was purchasing them, so many people were telling me that I will not end up wearing them very often because they look like they are for a special occasion, but that's not the case. I can still wear them at the daytime. I can even pair it with the necklace. It still looks okay depending on the outfit. But of course, I prefer to wear my 10 Motif necklace with the vintage size. I feel like this combination is a lot more flattering. I would say that my onyx set is definitely complete. I will not be adding any other rings or bracelets. I feel like a pair of earrings and a necklace is just a perfect combination, and I will end up wearing them very often together. Also, I can always connect my white Motif necklace with the black Motif necklace and wear them like that. Or I can wear them like a 20 Motif. It's actually quite nice. Maybe I will wear it like that for a while because I'm actually considering to add another 10 Motif necklace so I could wear it as a 20. And of course, before I make a purchase, I want to make sure that I will be wearing it quite often. I would say that I'm very happy with all my earrings, and I'm not sure if I will be adding any other colors anytime soon. I feel like black and white colors are the most used in my collection. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked my video and found it interesting. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!